Ducati Power Launch. What is it? Well, it's an electronic system designed to help you get off the line. It's as simple as that. You press a button, select your setting, pull the clutch in first gear, full throttle, let the clutch out. The computer then takes over and, all going well, helps you not wheelie off the back, but it gets you a good start. How do you use it? Quite simply, is a button under here, under the start button. That then brings up on the screen your settings. Select your desired setting, 3 being the most intrusive, so the computer doing the most work, 1 being more for race professionals who can take a lot of the work themselves. For reference, we're on a 2022 Panigale V4S. So into neutral, select level 3 and hold. First gear. And away we go. Thanks for watching, guys.